In the Student Center on Health Science campus, the Roar and Restore Room is open to Augusta University students, faculty, and staff. I got to talk with Trey Harrison, the Director of Campus Recreation, and Annie Carr, the Coordinator for Student Wellbeing, about this new space.
So it was built to serve as a place for AU students that they could come and take a moment in their busy day to find a place to relax, to whether that's meditate, if they want to pray, if they just want a space where they can do something kind of fun to take their mind off classes or work.
You can come in, there's low lighting, there's a white noise machine. We have like coloring sheets and fidget toys, so you can come in here and just relax, take time to yourself.
If you want to book a time slot for the space, there are many simple options to do so.
You can reserve the Roar and Restore room through our website. We have a link tree in our Instagram bio, or you can reserve it upon entry. On the door there's a QR code. You can put in whatever time you need.
With this space opening just last month, there is a lot of room for growth.
The more spaces we can have like this would be really great. And so do hope to see more spaces. Hope to see us be able to do more with the spaces as well.
The Roar and Restore Room is open from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday and is located on the second floor of the Student Center on Health Science campus in room 2024.